Hi everyone, it's me, Jenny again, and today we're going over rumble boxing. Welcome back again. Thank you so much for tuning in this video. I just wanted to share for those of you who are fitness enthusiasts, or if you don't know what rumble boxing is actually a fitness studio that incorporates cardio side of the boxing, which is like the punching, and also the weights. So it's divided into two sections, and what you do is you switch over. To be honest, it's a bit pricey, and to make it more affordable, I've been using ClassPass to try this class, and honestly, I gotta tell you, I think I really like using ClassPass for it because it makes it more affordable. Now, just letting you know, you might have heard this from my previous video, but you can't choose a spot. If that's important to you, then I don't recommend using a ClassPass. If you're interested in trying this class through a ClassPass, then I'll leave the 14-day trial link right down below so you could try it out. So rumble boxing is really good for cardio, even if you are not a boxer. It's actually boxer based, but it doesn't mean that you need to know anything. They teach you everything you need to know in the class, and the instructors are very motivating, and they're very engaging and also very friendly. So you don't need to be scared about trying out this class. For a little background story, I do have little boxing experience, but I'm nowhere in a competitive level. I'm just a fitness enthusiast, and so I do it for fitness reasons. I don't compete, but I did go to professionals to learn how to, like, the fundamentals. I got it down through learning through professionals, and I made sure because I always injure myself. So I always made sure to do these fundamental classes with professionals before I try these class. Now, that's not really necessary for you if you just want a good sweat. You're definitely getting a good sweat. I burn about 300 to 500 calories on these classes at minimum. So on certain days, I'll burn more if it's more boxing heavy, or if I choose to do more cardio based. And if I'm a little sluggish, then I will burn about 300. These classes go from 45 minutes to 55 minutes, and the routines are different depending on the day. So for example, currently, if you go on Monday, then you get an upper body. The next day might be abs. The next day might be legs. The next day might be full body. So what that means is that the strength training part of the class will switch up. Just to let you know, every single class will have some sort of ab workout included, because they know that people will come for boxing, and especially for boxing training, you do need a strong core. So that is very big focus for them. I actually got to work out with my boyfriend Kevin at rumble boxing, so here's our story. Right, we are on our way to doing rumble class in Tempe. Kevin, baby.
Yeah, I'm ready.
You ready?
I'm so excited.
Okay, so we're also taking one of our friends for the first time, so we're excited to share. And this is not Kevin's first class, and Kevin actually loves rumble now, but we want to see his reaction, his friend's reaction to go. And yeah. Okay, we are sweaty over here.
Woohoo!
Baby.
Yeah, that was a workout. Look at me. Look at me.
I can't even. I'm dying. We need to get hydrated. We need to shower. Woo! So what did you think? Would you actually try rumble boxing? I don't know if that's your vibe, but you know what? You should try it even if it feels scary. And if you're not scared and if you're a pro boxer and you're watching this, you think it's funny and you think it's a little, lame maybe, but actually it's really a good place to just practice, right? The punching bag is actually filled with water, and because of that, it protects your hands. So I am so used to scruffing my hands because for a while, as a beginner boxer, it took me a while to learn how to punch. So till then, I would have scuffed up hands, but now it's been about 5 to 6 years since I picked up boxing, and now that I could punch, I love this place because even if by accident, a little bit, if I miss it, I won't have any scuff hands, but I still get a good workout because I just punch hard. And when you're punching hard, you're not just punching, right? You're flexing your core for more strength. So it's really good to know that there's a place that I could practice even though I'm an intermediate level. And Kevin's a little more beginner level, but we're able to take same classes and still adjust to our level. So if you found this video to be helpful, then thumbs up for me for this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Talk soon.